Hello, my dear friends, this is Oksana Zaga again, and today we have a beautiful wedding dress alterations. This dress is used, and you can tell it. You can see, I'll show you. First of all, it's been altered before. You can see the darker spots all around the top area of the bust and back, and little bit my makeup spots. And also you can see that this dress was altered before because this part is kind of stitched in, because it has see-through v-neck, original one. See, that's the skin color invisible mesh over here, but they decided to add extra fabric, lace fabric, but for some reason from the inside, I don't know if you see the difference. It's still they decided it's beautiful, that's fine. Someone already wear it for the wedding dress. They also attached extra cups. And what do we have to do with this dress? We have to make the size bigger. That's my goal. Make this size bigger than it is. I can tell you that originally this dress was altered to make the size smaller, and I can show you. Here is the zipper and the button hoops on the one side and the buttons on another side, which is beautiful dress. One button is missing. Oops. You can tell that dress was altered before because see, those hand stitches, they are kind of uneven, and plus I can tell you, I feel it's super bulky because they just kind of didn't cut off all the edges and just move them inside, you know, fold them inside and keep them inside. But it's better to put, it would be better to cut them off, but I can feel the stitch, the bulky lace fabric from the inside. When we open it, we will see if it's true or not. Also, this stretcher part, whatever it calls, I don't know. It's also been altered. You can see the stitches here. So the girl was a smaller size than the dress, the previous girl. And basically, I personally believe that this rubber band does not work, does not do any work. So I will cut them off. My girl that I doing alteration for, that dress is way too small. The zipper could close only up to 4 inches from the bottom. This is her waist area, and it's literally like that. We have to do something to close it. And of course the back is halfway open because she couldn't even zip it up. So the girl who bought this dress is bigger than this dress, okay? I mean the size, her size is bigger. So what we cannot do. And also another moment that I don't really like, I don't like it all, and what we're gonna do with it. The bust area is not, when the girl put on the dress, this beautiful bust area is not close enough to her body. What does that mean? Of course I cannot show you how it looks on original girl because, you know, she's my client. I cannot show it to you. Just pretend this is her bust, okay? This is her bust. And when she puts on the dress, when we put on the dress, here is her bust. We put on the dress. There we go. That's what happened. You see this big, huge gap between the top of the dress and her bust. And the gap literally is about inch. And when we push harder, a little bit harder, it doesn't do almost anything. When I smudge the dress, when I hold the dress super tight, it's just literally a little bit closer but again, it's not close enough to her bust area. Okay, so what do we have here? First of all, you see how thick the top of this dress, how thick this area. Why this happened? Many dresses have thickness like that. Many dresses, especially with the heavy beading, like here, like this dress. The heavy beading is fine, but this area itself, you see the fabric, and it's folded, and another fabric that is also folded and stitched, and plus you can I can feel here is a boning. See, this boning goes up to here, and here's like a lot of fabrics stitched together, stick together, and it's like about half an inch of thickness on the top of the cup. So we have what we have. What we're gonna do? First of all, those cups does not do its job. It actually makes the dress looks even worse with those cups, because it gives extra volume, and the bust, the actual bust cannot go go closer to the dress, or dress closer to the bust, because this is the extra thickness. First of all, I will remove them.